Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 6.2 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode along with a quick setup of it. So to enable it, it's already actually enabled. You can see it right here. It's in the blue, so Do Not Disturb mode. So you want to just simply tap on it till it's blue, like so, to enable it. And you can also hold the option, and this will take you to the settings of the Do Not Disturb mode, where you can customize the behavior of it. So for instance, you have the exceptions, and you have exceptions for call and messages, so you can set certain rules. So if I go in here, allow calls, and it gives you a couple options that you can allow from anyone: contacts, favorites, none. Same thing goes for messages. So basically what it means, when your Do Not Disturb mode is on, whatever you choose here, for instance, if you go with favorites, only favorite contacts will be able to call you, even though the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled. And like I said, same thing goes for the messages. If I go in here, you have the same options. And another key thing would be probably a schedule. So you can actually choose right here by tapping on the duration. This gives you an option to either ask every time. If I check this on, I will be able to, every time I turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, it will ask me. So I will have the two options, so until I turn it off myself, or I can set up a couple hour timer, basically. So for instance, I set 8 hours, and after 8 hours it will turn off automatically by itself. Just cancel it. So that's one way. And then the other one is a turn on automatically, which will allow you to set a automatic one that you just don't have to interact with it at all. So you could tap on add rule and then tap time, name it whatever. And here you have the option to set days of the week. So you just tap here and select which days you want. Start time, so you want to select what time it starts. And then end time, what time the Do Not Disturb mode turns off. And tap on OK, and you can go back, and it automatically becomes enabled, and it will then basically turn on and off automatically each day of the week that you have selected at specific time, so from 2. And that is how you would set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.